This assignment consists of the wireless connectivity, you can connect your smartphone, laptop with the wired connected networks also. But instead of connecting it through a switch, we will connect it through a wireless router. So how to do it? So let us choose one PC, one laptop, one smartphone device, and connect all of them with the server and then wireless router. We will take the basic wireless router WRT 300N. Now in case of smartphone, as a smartphone is always enabled with the DHCP configuration, so as the smartphone is under the vicinity of that wireless router, that means within 100 meter, automatically it will get the channel and the connectivity will be okay. But in case of laptop, either you can connect it through wired connection or through wireless connection. Wireless connection will be enabled if the laptop has the Wi-Fi with antenna is present with the laptop. Now go to the laptop configurations, and if you zoom in, you'll find out only Ethernet ports are available in this case. But you can easily replace this Ethernet port. Now the replacement is not successful. Why? Because the laptop is on. Now shut down this laptop. Now you replace this Ethernet port with a Wi-Fi port, this Wi-Fi port having an antenna also. Now you can connect automatically with this laptop. So this laptop has the Wi-Fi connectivity as well as the Ethernet port also. So multiple connectivity options are present now on this laptop. Now wait, now in this case also it will find out a one channel to connect with that wireless router. Now mind it, both the cases, the smartphone and the laptop both are connected through the DHCP configuration having an IP automatically assigned by the wireless router. In this case, you'll find out the gateway is 192.168.0.1. That means this is the IP address of the wireless router, and this is the address provided in DHCP configuration, that is 192.168.0.100. And the same thing also happened in case of laptop also. Gateway is 192.168.0.1, and the IP address is, instead of 100, it is 101. That means they are in the same class of IP. Now connect this PC with the wired connection. Now we'll take another server also, because we have to configure the DNS. The same way we'll connect the server with the wireless router. Let us check that how many connectivity ports are available in case of wireless router. You'll find out that 4 Ethernet ports are available, and one port is there which is to be connected with the internet. So for the internet connectivity we have to choose one cloud over here. Choose the cloud. Now in the cloud connectivity configuration mode, that means you'll get the DSL connectivity with this wireless router. Now you have to connect the internet port with the cloud, so to get the internet connectivity. Now first assign IP address in this desktop. We'll assign same class of IP, that is 192.168.0. That is 100 is given, and in this case we'll provide 0.1. And the server, let us give 0.2. Now let us check through ping configuration whether they are working or not. Okay, so it is connected. Now you can configure your DNS also in the same way. Go to the service, then DNS. So the IP address is 192.168.0.2 and it is sajal.com. So I have mapped it with sajal.com and click the DNS to be on and add it. Now from the desktop web browser, type sajal.com. It is not coming. Let us see that what is the problem occurred. HTTP server is on and IP address is 192.168.0.1. DNS is 192.168. Okay, fine. Okay, it is working. Sajal.com. Let us see whether it is working or not. Okay, we'll check it. Now for the laptop and the smartphone, make the default DNS. Okay, we have to make the default DNS configuration also, that I have not done. So we have to write down the default DNS address. So now put the default DNS address. Okay, so the gateway is 192.168.0.1. That is the default gateway, and the DNS address is 192.168.1. Sorry, 0.2. 0.2. So as I have changed the default gateway, now it will work. Now it is working. So we have to mention the default gateway, but in case of smartphone and the laptop it will not be possible, because as the IP address is provided through DHCP configuration, you cannot change the default gateway. It will be possible only if you give the static IP over here. So right now the PC is connected with the default DNS gateway as well as the default gateway server. Now let us check that whether the packet transmissions are working fine or not. Now we'll consider all the packets, available packets. Now transmit those packets. Now look at here, the connectivity between the PC and the server is okay. Now let us check that the connectivity with the wireless router and the smartphone and the laptop is okay or not.